Alright, so we've got an easy one today. We're doing what's traditionally called the Big Three, though they really should call it Big Five in the Jeep, but it's traditionally your three main wires in your power system. So alternator to battery, battery to ground, and block to ground. So in the Jeep there are technically 5 of these wires. So the 5 wires are, you have the alternator right here over to the power distribution center. Then there's a very short wire from the power distribution center to the positive. Then you have a wire from the positive of the battery down to the starter. Then you have 2 more wires, one from the battery negative to the block, which is like right there. You probably can't see it very well. And then another from the battery negative to a ground on the tub, which is right over here. So you can see I've got them all out right here. So I'm replacing it all with thicker gauge wire, which normally people do if they're like if they've upgraded their amperage, like for an amp for their sound system, or if they're putting in a bigger alternator to compensate for like fast winching. So I'm using 1/0 gauge wire here, and then I have a 500 amp fuse that I bought this holder for, actually pretty cheap right here, because on the original you have a fusible link right here. There's just a backup in case it overheats. This thing will pop. See, it's a smaller gauge. It's usually 4 AWG sizes smaller than the wire you're normally using. Okay, so pretty easy. First, you're just gonna remove everything. You need a 10 mil, a 1/2 inch, and a 5/8 to remove all the old wiring. I did have to, so I bought these fancy, let me show you, these fancier ring terminals here that are like screw ring terminals, and they're pretty big. So I had to take a Dremel over to my power distribution box cover and just cut out this like square right there. And then lastly, I'm gonna mount that fuse holder here. So I drilled through, I used that as a placeholder and drilled through from the underside, and I'm gonna mount it there. I measured out the length of all these to know how much wire I would need, and I was just shy. It totaled out to be 148 inches. I only ordered 10 feet, so I need to get another little bit. But in the meantime, I already got one of them done, you can see. So I got my fuse holder mounted in there to here and to the alternator, and it's looking pretty good. I'm going to need some new terminals as well, and unfortunately the one chassis mount is a slightly different diameter mount, so I'm going to need to either find a way to bore out the ring terminal, or I don't know, get a bigger ring terminal. We'll see. Finally, here it is all done. I'd recommend getting battery terminals with multiple connectors here, whether you're going to thread the wire right in or use a post like a screw. But yeah, and then I've got the wire loom on all of them and taped up, and yeah, just a Big 3 upgrade, pretty easy.